guys, welcome to Gamer Gaming, and today I will be playing PC Simulator. So in my spare time, I like to come here in my piss room, where I like having the temperature -20, because I like freezing my ass off, and just playing with that freaking, oh my god, just playing with that light switch. Alright. Yeah, it's not. This is my room tour. So we got a recycling bin where I like to throw all my shit. We got a door that doesn't open. We got a hammer, a desk, and a blueprint. Alright, so we're gonna be building a PC. I know nothing about computers. Okay, just bear with me. I know nothing about computers. So, with that being said, alright, so we need a monitor. Okay, case. Who needs glass? We gotta go with the cum case. Yeah, the monitor. Motherboard, we're gonna go $80. Storage. Oh yeah, got it. $100 storage. Power supply. I don't know what W stands for. I don't know what 100W stands for. I'm stupid, okay? Know nothing about computers. That. This power supply. Graphics card. Oh, look, I can't afford anything. Oh, I guess I can. Graphics card. Cooler. Can't purchase anything. So that's all. If only this is how it worked in real life. Just click a button and you get money. Clicking this shit like it's cookie clicker right now. Just fucking be happy there's no gameplay audio. Because you would hear this a lot and it would just drive you guys crazy. And I'm just sitting here clicking this motherfucker like this goddamn cookie clicker, okay? Okay, just fucking going to town on this snot green button. Just fucking pounding that shit like it's a Friday afternoon. Just fucking... Oh my god, okay, that's annoying. Alright, return. Just by clicking a button, we made $1,000. Sweet. Alright, so... Box, yeet. That went like 5 feet. Sweet. Alright. See, this is why I have a hammer in my room. Okay, just drop the fucking thing. That's cool too. Get that shit over here. And just whap. Oh no, I'm joking. Okay. Okay, get that shit out of here. Just out. Just out. You get that shit out of here. Okay. Out. No, not that. I need that. That's important. Okay. Not important shit over here. Important stuff right here. Yeah. 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 Alright. Here is... Get out of the box! Alright. Damn. Alright. What's in here? Is that... What's this? This graphics card, or is this a speaker? This looks like a fucking speaker. This could be graphics card too. Again, I know nothing about. Okay, get that shit out of here. Okay, get that shit out of here. I said, out of here. That's important. Okay. Out. Alright. So this goes here. Does this go in here at all? Oh, it does. Okay. Out. Is there anything in here? Yeah. You don't put the boxes in the recycling bin. You just put them on top. Just put them on top of that shit. Alrighty. Just there you go. Money. Alright, now we build this. And I'm missing some things. Like this. I guess we kind of need a memory, don't we? Processor. I'm for sure we already bought one of those. Coming! Processor. And thingy-mabobber. Storage. Alright, where is that small... Where did it go? Just up there. There you go. Oh, it's a monitor. We don't need that shit. Stop it! That over here. Okay, stay. Good boy. That works too. Alright, let's... Let's move this real quick. Oh my god, it's inside of it. Okay, this goes there. Okay, where's my cooling fan? Cooling fan, where are you at? Memory. Okay. I think this is that. Slap this bad boy. Does not go in there. Where does this not go in there? Like where? Oh shit. Oh shit. No. Okay. Hello? Yeet! Oh, that one fire. Get that shit out of here. Okay. Graphics card. That shit. Oh, I guess it is a graphics card. Yeah, cool. Alright. Bring me this thing. Alright. Damn it! Okay. I think we have the wrong thing. Yep. Alright. Oh my god, it's just a cookie clicker, I swear to god. Just gonna sit here, you know, just fucking clicking my goddamn green button. Jesus Christ. Thank you. Oh, shit. Alright. You come here. Okay. Uh-oh. There we go. Alright. Grab the monitor. Place that bad boy here. Auto rotate. Come on. Come on. There you go. It's alive! Do I have the wrong monitor? Darn it. I think I have the wrong monitor. Get that shit out of it. Whoop. Ba-doop-doop. Darn it. Alright. Get that out of here. Get that out of here. Alright. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Does shit. Thank you. Do I need a keyboard? Nope, apparently I don't need that. Okay. Alrighty, got this. Just... No! I just need the flat monitor. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. I have all of that. Why is it not working? Alright, that's it. Where's the hammer? Where's the hammer? I need my hammer! Alright, come here. Alright, here's my good old trusty hammer. Darn, I didn't even hit anything. Darn it. Stupid piece of crap. Yes. Out of here. Get that shit out of here. Yeet. This bitch empty. Yeet. Oh, it did. Oh, okay. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Out! Out! It also could have been because I had my thingy set to... Oh. It's snowing! Okay, it's -20. And it's snowing now. And that's gonna wrap up today's video, even though we didn't get the computer running, and stuff's just buried in snow now. Looks like I got some cleaning to do. So that will wrap up this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.